Welcome back. In this section, we're going to see how AI can help small businesses save time, streamline tasks, and grow more efficiently. Whether you're running a cafe, managing a small online shop, or offering professional services, AI has tools to make your life easier. And guess what? Many of these tools are simple, affordable, and easy to use. Small businesses face big challenges: limited time, tight budgets, and wearing too many hats. But AI can act like an extra set of hands, helping you stay organized, reach more customers, and improve productivity. AI isn't just for tech giants, it's for everyone, including small businesses. The tools we'll explore today can handle things like writing content, organizing your workflow, and even brainstorming new ideas. Let's dive in. We'll explore two tools that are perfect for small businesses. Notebook LM helps you stay organized by summarizing notes and generating insights. It's great for keeping track of meetings and projects. GrammarlyGO, on the other hand, is like having a writing assistant that generates professional emails, reports, and even marketing content. Imagine you're running a small bakery and you need to quickly summarize your team meeting notes or draft a catchy email for a new promotion. AI can make both of these tasks faster and easier, so you can focus on what you love: baking delicious treats. Staying organized and communicating effectively are the foundation of any successful business. Tools like Notebook LM and GrammarlyGO handle these tasks with ease, giving you more time to focus on growth. For this task, we go to the Notebook LM website. After signing up and logging in, the interface opens for us. To summarize our meeting report or perform an operation, we click on Create a New and Start a New Project. There are 3 ways to import content: through Google Drive using a URL, or by directly pasting the text ourselves. I choose the third option. I've prepared a sample meeting report that is 4 pages long. We select all the text, copy it, and paste it into Notebook LM. This becomes the source for our work. Next, we ask it, for example, what were the key points from our last meeting? After a few seconds of processing, it generates the summary for us. Then, we ask it to create concise summaries to save time and stay on track. And we see that it provides us with this as well. Finally, we use these summaries to update project plans or share them with our team. Enjoy! Notebook LM is a lifesaver for staying on top of projects and team collaboration. Use it to quickly summarize notes, track progress, or even prepare for your next big meeting. It's like having an extra brain for your business. Let's try Notebook LM. Start by logging in with your Google account and uploading your notes. These can be meeting recaps, project outlines, or any document you need to manage. You can then ask questions like, what were the key points from our last meeting? Notebook LM will generate quick, accurate summaries, keeping you organized and focused. Now, let's talk about writing. Emails, marketing copy, and reports are essential but time-consuming. That's where GrammarlyGO comes in. It takes the guesswork out of writing and makes everything polished and professional. After signing up and logging into this website, you'll arrive at this interface. To create your first task, click on New Document to open a new document. Next, I'll use an example to test this tool. Let's say I purchased shoes from an online store, but they were of poor quality. I don't want them and would like to return them and get my money back. My text is written hastily and is full of mistakes. First, I ask the AI to improve my sentences. In the second step, I want to draft an email about this issue. So, I ask the AI to write an email for me. As you can see, the email is generated, and we can insert it and delete our previous sentences. This software also has other features, such as converting the tone of the text from formal to informal or friendly. To test this, I ask the AI to turn the email into a story about this topic. With just a simple request, the AI generates a story for me, which I can even post on my personal blog. Finally, you can print or download your writing and enjoy the power of AI. Grammarly is your go-to tool for writing. Just log in, open the writing assistant, and type a prompt. For example, write a professional email to a supplier about delivery delays. Grammarly generates polished content in seconds, and you can tweak it to match your style. These tools might seem simple, but they can make a huge difference. Notebook LM helps you stay organized, while GrammarlyGO ensures your communication is top-notch. Together, they save you time and help you focus on growing your business. AI offers big advantages for small businesses. It saves time by automating repetitive tasks, boosts productivity by keeping you organized, and improves communication with tools like GrammarlyGO. Best of all, these tools are affordable, making them accessible for any business. In this section, we explored two simple but powerful tools: Notebook LM for staying organized and Grammarly for writing professional content. These tools are easy to use and can transform the way you manage your business. In the next section, we'll focus on how AI can help you get creative and solve problems in new ways. Get ready to unleash your imagination and think outside the box with AI.